in twilight's glow, where silver crowns our heads, we meet anew two hearts that time has spared. For 40 years through separate paths we tread, yet secret flames in silence we have shared.
Each glance we stole, each word in passing light, was kindled deep, though duty held the rein. The vows we kept, the burdens of the night, now fade like mist before this sweet refrain.
In golden age, with hands no longer young, we clasp at last what youth could not embrace. The love we harbored, quiet and unsung, now blooms in full, unshadowed by the chase. No haste of spring, no fevered pulse we need, just steady rhythm, warm and deeply true. The years that parted us have sown the seed. In harvest time our souls entwine.